Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to remove a tempered glass screen protector off of an iPhone 6 Plus. Should be the same on any phone. So I'm going to try, I actually never done this before, but I'm going to go ahead and try with this stainless steel razor. It seems thin enough to be able to get underneath of there. Basically that's going to be your best shot. Just find something that will be able to get underneath of the screen. And the reason I'm doing this is mainly because, yeah, see, it's working really well. The reason I'm doing this is because my screen protector is extremely cracked. There's some shards on the corners and stuff like that, so it's no longer actually even safe. So I think the best shot with this would be to go ahead and slowly go around the outside first. You gotta be really careful, especially when your screen is cracked, because it will leave shards, and you could potentially cut yourself with this. So yeah, as you can see, it's coming right up, and I'm really hoping that I'm not damaging my phone underneath. Yeah, so your best shot is prying it open with the razor or something thin, and maybe not necessarily so sharp, but anything thin will work, because I have a strong feeling that if you try to go the whole way with this razor, you may actually even damage your screen, which that's kind of the purpose that we're trying to avoid. As you can see, slowly but surely it's all coming apart. And since this one's already cracked, you know, it doesn't necessarily matter, but we want to try to get it off all in one piece, preferably, for obvious reasons. So yeah, you just kind of work with both, and you could use, I'm assuming you could use a variety of tools for this. I'm using the single most basic, and as you can see, it's coming off fairly good. I'm actually really surprised how well this is coming apart. And this is just a piece of cardboard, and I just ripped it off of a cereal box, so this is working fantastic. And as you can see, we are about done here. And here we are, we have your screen over top. And actually, I was thinking maybe the razor was gonna ruin my phone a little bit, but it didn't in this corner. It's perfectly fine. It's just a little bit dirty. But it did wonders for me, and as you can see, I managed to remove the screen fully intact, and it looks great. Looks like it seemed like it did the job.